Laba moments here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana, welcome. So in this video, I want to show you something that, again, most of you have been asking me, and that is how do I create an intro. So this video will be all about that, and I will show you a tool that I love to use. Again, if you're an avid consumer of my content, you do know about Canva.com, which is a powerful graphic design tool that is available online, and they have a free version which you can use to design your logos, your social media stuff, card, presentations, letters, marketing materials, any other documentation that you'd want to give it a nice look and feel, then this is the tool for you. And the free version basically allows you to do so many things, and the paid for version, of course, they have additional features which you could take advantage of. But again, if you're a beginner YouTuber and you do not have money to spend, I think this you should consider using Canva. And we are going to use Canva to develop or to create an intro, a YouTube intro. So for you to do that, of course, you will go to canva.com on your browser, and then after loading that, at the top here there's this search area. So on this search area you can be able to type in whatever you want. So you can type in intro. Of course, it's gonna suggest for you. So YouTube intro, click on that. So Canva provides you with a load of templates which are absolutely free, and you can take advantage of them. Okay, so now given that we are in the Christmas season, and I am sure you've seen a lot of vlogmas videos and a lot of YouTubers changing their intro to accommodate the theme of the season, and probably we can try and create an intro for that aligns with this Christmas season. So let's look for a template that will align with that. There's this one, it says holiday highlights, so let's click on that, and then it's gonna load it. So this is our template, which we can be able to edit it further to fit our preferences and what we want to put out there on our channel. So we can maybe preview it. At the top here there's this play button, so let's click on play. That's it. It's only 6 seconds. So we can be able to edit this further to fit what we want to do, and it is very, very easy for us to do that. So let's create an intro for a YouTuber who has probably some interesting stuff, maybe a lifestyle channel. I have a friend of mine, let's go to my Instagram, who has a YouTube channel called Christy's World. Again, you should check her out. Let's steal some of her photos. I've not asked her whether I should use her photos. I know I should get permission from her before I use these photos, but anyway, girl, sorry. Can I use these photos? So we'll select a couple of photos from her Instagram. Again, of course, you can follow her and get to see some of the amazing content that she releases on a weekly basis. So we'll get some of the photos from her Instagram page, and then we can be able to use them to create an intro for a Vlogmas edition. So her YouTube channel is called Christy's World, so we can begin to edit. So Christy's World. So we can say a 2020 Vlogmas edition. Yep. And then we can leave this first video to run. Let's duplicate this page by clicking at the top here. So let's click on duplicate page. Then you can keep on duplicating them. But an intro should not be so long. At least at most 60 seconds, or yeah, at most, like if you really want to put everything out there, it shouldn't go more than 60 seconds. So this is our first page. We'll let it remain as so. And then the next page, we'll put an image. So I've already downloaded those images that I was talking about from her page. So let me upload them here. So I've labeled them based on the kind of content she releases. So she does business, family, or lifestyle and farming kind of content. So we can bring those photos on Canva, then you can be able to use them. Again, if she's put a video, we can easily also add a video instead of an image. But for purposes of time, we can begin with Christy's World, a Vlogmas edition. So here we will begin with lifestyle. So under lifestyle, let's put what? This image. You can resize it to fit. So that's gonna be the first photo. Then we go to the third page, and we will talk about business. So you can drag that photo there. Of course, if she had videos, short videos, you could be able to put them instead of these static images, but that's still okay. And then the next page we're gonna talk about, she also runs a series on poultry farming. Do we call it poultry farming? Not sure. Just comment down below, Christine, if I'm butchering your content. So we'll drag this photo there. And this other last one, we can maybe put subscribe. Then we put this image there. We resize it, of course, for it to fit to page. And just like that, we've just made a brief intro. So we can play it just to preview. I don't like the music, so we can change this audio file into maybe something with a Christmas feel. So let's see, audio, we can use this, we wish you a Merry Christmas. Let's drag it and drop it, and it will automatically change. That's a bit better. So we can play the whole intro video. So is gonna be her intro for the Vlogmas edition for 2020. Yeah, and that's how you create a YouTube intro. Very easy. You just edit things. You can even add more elements. Yeah, if you want to add more videos or images, you can do so. You can put these things, what are they called? Stickers. You can add stickers. If I feel like maybe I want to add this flower over here, I can easily do so and shape it and resize it to fit to page. Yeah, whatever you want to add to your intro video, you can be able to do so. And again, if you want to change a template, maybe a page, or add a different one, you don't need to duplicate the pages. You can always drag another one from here, from what Canva offers. So you can have different colors and different shapes or different designs for every slide that you have. So basically, that's how you create a YouTube intro using Canva. And once you're done designing that, you can be able to download it and upload it to your YouTube channel as you upload your videos, and you can make it the default intro video. So at the top here, of course, that's where you're able to download your video, and you will be able to download it in the file type MP4. So just click on download, and it's gonna download. And again, like I've mentioned, you can always attach it to your video once you are editing your content, or you can put it as your default intro card or intro video. So I hope that you've learned something. And again, in case you like this kind of content, don't forget to give me a like. And also, if you have not subscribed yet, join the family and let's learn together. Let's get these light bulb moments together. And I hope that this content is adding value to your channel as you create it, as you grow it. I trust that this is of value to you. So leave me a comment down below on your YouTube journey this far and whether this content has been useful to you. Okay? So our video is ready. Let's play it. Yeah, and that's it. It's less than 30 seconds long, and I think Christy's World can be able to use this as her intro if she likes it. And that's it. Again, I hope that you've learned something. Bye bye.